Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure accounts with Oracle, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Oracle website. Create an Oracle account if you don't already have one. Once you have an account, log into the Oracle Cloud Console. Navigate to the Identity section. Select Users from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create User button to add a new user. Fill in the required details for the new user. Assign a strong password that meets security requirements. Set the user's role according to their access needs. Next, enable multi-factor authentication. Enter the user's phone number or email address for verification. Choose your preferred authentication method, like SMS or an authenticator app. Save the changes and inform the user to complete the setup. Regularly review user permissions to ensure they're appropriate. Set up security policies under the Security tab. Implement password policies to enforce complexity and expiration. Consider using Oracle's Identity Cloud service for enhanced security features. Monitor account activity regularly for any unusual behavior. Educate users about recognizing phishing attempts and secure practices. By following these steps, you can ensure a secure Oracle account environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.